Penha Longa Resort. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Penha Longa Resort. Penha Longa is an elegant palazzo-style estate located among the rolling hills of the Sintra Cascais Nature Reserve. The 5-star resort features a 27-hole golf course and a state-of-the-art 4.9 ft squared spa center. The resort's lab restaurant was awarded a Michelin star in November of 2016. Extraordinary place, amazing views, well-trained staff, and one-word heaven. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Amazing resort with great facilities and friendly staff. Very relaxing and not far from Old Town Center. Fabulous setting within a beautiful golf course. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.